Hello everyone, welcome back to Delicious Recipe. Today I'm going to make beef cannelloni. So for the first part of the dish is a lasagna sheet or a cannelloni tube. Mine is freshly homemade lasagna sheet. I put a link in the description below. So now for the creamy sauce bechamel, add in 25 grams of butter, and 25 grams of flour. Next, 380 milliliter of whole milk into the butter and flour mixture. I'm adding cheese into my bechamel, which is totally optional. It gives quite a creamy, cheesy flavor and lifts the cannelloni a little bit more. Season your sauce with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. And whisk till they're creamy. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the hot pan. And 4 cloves of finely minced garlic. And 1 finely diced onion. And then 250 grams of minced meat into the pan. Now cover and cook on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. Now add in basil for a great aroma. And some lovely chopped tomatoes. Now season it with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now add salt and olive oil into the water. Now in goes your lasagna sheet. After boiling it for 5 minutes, add your lasagna sheet into the cold water. Now spread a generous layer of bechamel sauce on the bottom of an oven-proof dish. and then your beef ragu. And add filling into the lasagna shade and roll it. And place on top. Now pour your bechamel sauce over the top. And cover with mozzarella, cheddar cheese, and parmesan. And bake for 40 to 45 minutes until the parmesan is golden and bubbling. So there you go, with a delicious, creamy, rich cannelloni. This is a dish that your tongue has been dreamt of. So don't be late, make it now. Alrighty, so we are at the end of the video, so please like, comment, before you make for yourself, share this video with your loved ones so they can make it too. And oh, don't forget to subscribe if you have not for more videos. Stay tuned for another rich dish. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.